Hey, oh no, oh no, oh no. Hey guys, you might no, do not come my way. Do not come my way.
Oh,
Do not
shit.
come my way. Go the other way, guys. Go the other way. I will try to lead them away. Try to lead them away.
Don't use the thing, please. Wait. Oh god. Oh god. Back away. Back away. I'm crazy, but how's it going over there, Proto?
They're not attacking me. They just love me. Dude, they're heading into that keep.
So
they're gonna be coming in center gate.
Yep. Psych up here, guys. Psych up here with me. Psych up here with me. You guys gotta come in. Be very careful. We got enemies coming in from the side. There's God stacking right there. God stacking in. Alright guys, come this way. Hurry up, sweep into the left. For those of you coming, jump down forward, jump down forward. You need to get these guys from the back.
How'd you guys get in?
Left side, left side, left side.
Wall.
Side wall, left side wall.
Shoot.
is it already closed back up?
It shouldn't be.
Oh, it's open.
Hurry up and get in here, guys. Get on me. We need DPS on me
Necro's
right
low.
here. Just get that necro.
I can't get out of combat. There we go.
Got him immobilized. We got lows, we got lows, we got lows. We gotta contest the lows, contest the lows.
Guards down, guards down.
Alright, keep pushing forward, keep rolling forward, roll to the left, Clear him, clear him, clear him. Nicely done, guys.
So we need to finish the downs too.
Start faking all these downs, guys. Gotta get them all killed. Alrighty, guys. Build on Proto. Build on Proto, right on Lord.
Two and four on the Lord.
Gotta keep getting our damage on that Lord, yes. Damage on the Lord. Stay tight to Lord.
Huh. Me, a sticking Mesmer. How'd you like that retaliation?
Alright, we need CCs on our Lord.
They're grouping up outside for another push.
I see one coming in, at least. Yeah, they're grouping up again.
Does
Lord.
Ram Skill 2 do even more damage if you're on a burn guard?
I don't know. Alright, there. The Lord's about to die.
It just breaks the bar on that.
Stay to the front of the Lord's room. Just keep him out of the Lord's, keep him out
He's
of the Lord's.
contested.
Oh, one of them jumped.
They're coming in, they're coming in. Get ready.
Okay.
Get ready.
Okay. Push the left side on here of me. Secure left side
Oh,
of me.
that
Secure
guy.
left side of me.
There, kill every one of them now.
Yes. Good job, all.
Jump in the water. Run, gods.
God's in the camp.
Alright, hug right side, right with me, right here. Okay, pushing 3, 2, 1, pushing forward now. Get this necromancer right here.
Okay, trying to finish this guy off.
Finishing stomp.
Heals on tag.
My god scaled.
Alrighty. Yes, you don't know. This guy right here. Okay, build on me. We gotta get these rams up. Build on me. Get this ram up.
How are you doing on rams?
Doing okay at the moment. We gotta get three rams up because that other green group's probably rushing here. Crap. We need to get them built and get them used. Watch the AoEs if you're in pack. Okay, gate is open. Wait, that's not that gate. Gotta make sure we're hitting the right gate, guys.
Wish I had my Ellie now.
Alright, let's push in the lords. No, push up left, push up left. Let's come up here, kill the ACs. Got green coming in. Loop back down here, loop back down here, loop back down here. Gotta push down those greens. Push down, don't let them in, don't let them in. Alright. Let's pull the Lord over to this door, pull the Lord to me, pull the Lord over here to this door, make this door hot, guys. Make this door hot right here where I'm standing. Pull the Lord to me. Where's the Lord at, guys? We need to bring the Lord here to this door. So that way when green goes come in, they can't come for this door, guys. Pull the right here. Make it hot on me.
Okay. I'm gonna attack this door so Fred comes over here.
Here they come.
Make AoEs all here. Make AoEs all right here. AoEs right here. Make all AoEs right here on this gate. All AoEs here on this gate. Alright.
There, he's here.
Alright. Just keep all AoEs here. Okay. Just keep AoEs, heals. Okay, push out me, push these guys right here, push these guys right here, guys. This guy right here, get this guy right here. Okay, push back to the gate, Get our guys up, we gotta get her downed up, press F, get her downed up, Everybody when heals on gate, heals on right here, heals right here. Heals. We got downs, contest the downs. Alright, everybody push forward with me, Everybody right here, push forward, up the ramp. AoE's on me. Okay, looping around. Push up top here. Let's clear the walls, get them off the walls. Okay, push down the lords, get our guys up, press F, get our guys up, get everybody up. Get her downs up, get them. Oh, push ramp. Get downs on ramp, push the ramp. Okay, swooping back up the ramp, You're ready. Just keep it hot. We gotta get this lord down, guys. Okay, lord's at 50%. Okay, let's watch it. Keep this hot here. Right, lord is at 46%. 40%. Keep making it hot on this door, keep making it hot on the door too, just in case, because he might come pushing through at some point. See you pushing through to the side, make it hot on the door. They're running through. Need heals, come to me. Heals are all on tag. Alright. Make sure to keep them out of the circle. Watch behind. So you go to push into us. Keep them out of the circle, guys. I need somebody else to claim besides PAIN. Alright, get this guy, he's in circle. There's a thief in the circle. Right here. Get his out of the circle. Keep him out of the circle. Alrighty, guys, let's clean him.
It's already been pulled.
The gate's about to open. Oh god. Go left side now. Get the hell up. Get away from the waypoint. Get away, because they're going to charge the hell out of that waypoint. Come on, left side. That's why the waypoint's dangerous. Just keep the left side, left side, left side of me, left side of me.
Oh God.
Yeah.
4 siege golems.
They are really not happy with us.
No.
Best thing we can do is try and pick off tails and try and get the lobies. Right, wait, build on me, build on me, build on me. Right here, build on me now, build on me now, build. Get this shit built, guys. Get this shit built and start firing like hell. I'll keep them distracted best I can. We got this built.
2 of them. Working on the 3rd.
Make the right wall hot. Make the right wall hot. Okay, off. Jump off. Press F. Get off. Press F. Get off. Run across. Run across. Run across.
Pick this guy off.
Jump up. Jump up. Jump up. Ready. Gotta look for lows. Gotta look for lows and finish the lows.
Lows in the lords room. Downs in the lords room.
Okay, go to the lords room, guys. Let's get those downs and lords.
Just a couple. I think our guys got him though.
Push right here, guys. AoE damage right here in this corner, right here on me. Oh god, wait a minute. Backing up, backing up, backing up a little bit, backing up, jumping up a little bit, jumping up a little bit. Go left side, 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 left side. Okay, we gotta back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up, back it up,
Oh.
back it up.
I can do AC support if you get close to lords room.
Okay, so let's get this necromancer. Oh, dodge roll forward. Let me dodge roll back. Oh god, I cannot move. I legit cannot move. What the fuck? Alright. We gotta look backwards. Alright. Where are they at? Oh, we got downs up there, guys. Let's get up there and we get clear those downs. Clear those downs. Oh shit, another red group's coming in to sandwich. That's not good. Alright, gotta be careful. Alright. They're camping the waypoint down there. This guy. Oh, they're pushing back. Push back. Backwards. Dodge roll backwards. Okay. Over the right side. Over the right side. Over the right side. Over the right side. Everybody over the right. Go right. Go right. Jump out right. Jump out right. Jump out right. Jump out right. Okay, looping back. Looping back. Looping back this way. Back to the front of the north. They're up on the wall. They're up on the wall. Alrighty. Let's see. We're going through. Going through. Dodge through. Go straight to Lords room. We dodge through. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Dodge through. Dodge roll now. Dodge roll. Go straight to Lords. Straight to Lords. Straight to Lords. Straight to Lords.
I can AC support in the lords room.
Okay. I'm gonna try and pull a few into the Lords. Pulling a few into Lords. Pulling a few into Lords. Pulling a few into Lords. They're all coming Lords. They're all coming Lords. They're all coming Lords. Okay, dodging. Dodging pull. Dodging through. Targeting me. Oh. Stairs. Oh shit, I'm in the corner. It's not good. I'm in the corner. God, I cannot see. Oh Jesus Lord Christ. Oh God. No. I literally cannot move. I am dead. Just keep whittling them down. I'll whittle them down. Alright, I'm gonna...
They're going down one at a time. As long as we have these gates closed up, we're gonna win.
Wait, I need someone to rest me outside here, please. Oh God.
Now I
Alrighty, guys. Everybody regroup on Proto. Alright. Go in, go right side, up here, up right side, up. Side up here,
and then you just with the
Okay. Push right, push right, push right, push right through. Right side, right side, right side. They're low, they're low. We got them, we got them, we got them. Just cleave, cleave. We got it.
Recover. Return.
Some mesmer here somewhere. There's mesmer. There we see center.
They're growing in numbers.
Yes, they are. AoEs, only all AoEs right here, right on the entranceway where that arrow's at. Back to Lords, come to Lords, make them come to us, guys. Back in Lords, stay back in Lords room, stay back in Lords room. Don't get pulled out there. Just back it up out of the AoE circles, Stay on the Lord, stay on the Lord. Oh, I can't see. Okay, this guy right here.
It's Lord that did them.
There's a ranger right here, me. Get this ranger right here, guys. Get this ranger right here. Where's this target? Right here. My target. Stay in Lord's room, stay in Lord's room. Stay
One
in
down
Lord's room.
out there.
It's okay, stay in Lord's room.
One
Stay
west
tight.
of them.
Make them come to us, make them come to us.
You guys
This
still hear me?
necromancer. Yep, you can hear ya. Get this necromancer right here, guys. Necromancer right here.
And the Lord's still not down.
Focus the necromancer, focus the necromancer. Necromancer's back of Lord's room. Necromancer's back of Lord's room. Focus the necromancer right here, guys.
How do you change your password for Guild Wars 2?
Log on to your account, your actual account at Guild Wars.
Back of Lord's room, back of Lord's room. Stay in, stay in back. Get this guy right here, get this guy right here, get this necromancer right on me. I got him mobilized, kill this necromancer. Stay in Lords, don't go the whole way out, stay in Lords. Stay in Lords, stay in Lords, stay in Lords.
The Lord is still up. Jesus. One tough Lord. This must be tier 3.
Lord went down.
Alright, let's kill these. Let's dig down, guys.
That was pretty satisfactory.
Indeed. That was a good fight. Alright.
Tried to see how many.
Okay, push down forward, push down forward. Dodge through, dodge through. Keep to the right, keep to the right, keep to the right. Get this target, this guy right here. This Revenant. Get quiet.
Okay, they're through the outer. Just running up the ramp to water.
Got downs on me, guys. Got downs on me.
Damn it, I'm out of disablers.
Yeah, I'm gonna go help at Gary. Seems I died there.
Those are alpha golems. I'm gonna get on the oil.
Well, at least we're ticking up.
They didn't have shit for numbers.
Okay, there's not that many of them. We might be able to push them together once we stack up.
In the stack inside or out?
Stack inside up here on me, guys. Once everyone's here, we push down. 3, 2, 1. Push down now, push down now, push down now. Dodge forward, dodge forward. AoE damage right here on me. Expected downs, expected downs, expected downs. What the hell?
Mesmer.
Where'd he go? There he is. Oh my god.
God's Guild is dead again.
Get this bug guy right here. This bug guy right here.
I boot punted that guy.
Yo, he's on the bridge. Yo, he's on the things, guys. Yo, he's on the walkway. Yo, he's on the walkway.
Tying him up. Oh, look at them bags.
The golem is on Lord.
Oh, cool. Let's smack the golem. Smacky, smacky. My blues on Lords. Okay, how many on the Lord? Alright, guys. Alright.
They're coming.
Alright, guys. Stay tight with me. Stay tight with me. Alright. Gonna push right, push right, push right.
They're coming, they're coming.
I can't. Legit. What the hell kind of pulls? Okay, pushing this group on me. A good group. Jesus. We got downs, guys. Get these downs, guys, get these downs. Contest those downs. Let's get down, guys. We got downs right here. Get down, get the down, get the down. Be careful, they're pushing forward. They're pushing forward. Roll right, roll right, roll right. Get their back here, back here, back here. Get down. There's downs right here on me. Downs here on me. Let's get these downs. Dodge refuel, dodge refuel. Backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up. Get this down on me, get these downs, get these downs, get these downs, get these downs, get these downs. Okay, dodge right, dodge right, dodge right. Dropping, boon removal, boon removal. Don't push the whole way out there. Get R up. Move back, move back,
Got
move
him
back.
up.
He heals on me, heals on me, heals on me.
Big heal coming.
Hey, big heal coming, big heal coming. Alright. We're tying up, We're gonna push right, push to the right. They're gonna make the left hop, push to the right, push to the right, push to the right, push right on me. Okay, do not go across the bridge, do not go across the bridge, do not go across the bridge. Get these downs on me, get these downs on me, get these downs on me. Okay, watch, push to the left, push left, push left, watch left, watch left, watch left. They're gonna push across, push across. Okay, dodge forward, dodge forward. Dodge was pass him, pass him, pass him, pass him, pass him. On me, we got lows on me, lows on me, lows on me. We got downs here on me, downs here on me, downs on here. Kicking, kicking, kicking. Oh god, I can't move, I can't move. Okay, we got downs, guys, we got downs. Finish these downs, finish these downs. Alright, finish downs, okay. Roll forward, roll forward, roll forward, roll forward, roll through, roll through. AoE's on me, AoE's on me.
Kill it down, kill it down.
We gotta kill the downs, guys, kill the downs.
I got the meteor shower under your feet.
Oh god, oh, Jesus. Oh, no, heals. Get me up, guys, get me up. Press F. Wait, careful, don't go too close. Dodge left, dodge left, dodge left, dodge left. They're coming, they're coming. You guys can't get us up, Be very careful. They're pushing back,
I'm trying.
Right, there's he. these downs, guys. We need to finish these downs. Get these downs down. Get these downs now. Please kill the downs, guys. Kill the downs. Kill the downs before I die. Kill the downs before I die. Kill the downs before I die. Kill dozens before I die, guys. Kill the downs before I die. Holy shit.
I'm working on it.
Loot streaming.
I'm surrounded by bags of loot.
Surrounded.
Oh, there's like 12 bags of loot right there.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and rampage, I'm thinking. Oh shit, they just flipped the camp. I'm going to hold it back. I'm killing this down guy.
Proto. I can't get to you, Proto.
Rare, you're okay.
No, Proto, come back. Proto, come back. Proto.
Okay, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm back. Man, so many downs, man. So many downs.
Try to heal your ass. Running away.
No, I don't want your healing. No, don't want your heals. My heals. Oh, we got a ranger. Ranger's trying to leave. Nope. Commander got the ranger. Wait, there's another guy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is.
I'm not gonna check. I don't know if they sabotage depot on it or not. It
Go to
didn't
Lord's
happen.
room. Lord's room. Lord's room. Go to the Lord's room. Keep moving. Go to Lord's room. Tighten up in Lord's room. Stack in center. Stack in center.
They're growing in numbers.
Yes, they are. AoEs. Only all AoEs right here. Right on that entranceway where that arrow's at. Back to Lords. Back to Lords. Come to Lords. Make them come to us. Make them come to us, guys. Back to Lords. Stay back to Lord's room. Stay back to Lord's room. Don't get pulled out there. Just back it up out of the AoE circles. Out of the AoE circles. Stay on the Lord. Stay on the Lord. Oh, I can't see. Okay, this guy right here.
It's Lord that did them.
There's a ranger right here, me. Get this ranger right here, guys. Get this ranger right here. Where's this target? Right here. My target. Stay in Lord's room. Stay in Lord's room. Stay
One
in
down
Lord's room.
out there.
It's okay. Stay in Lord's room.
One
Stay
less
tight.
of them.
Make them come to us. Make them come to us.
You guys
This
still hear me?
necromancer. Yep, you can hear ya. Get this necromancer right here, guys. Necromancer right here.
And the Lord's still not down.
Focus the necromancer. Focus the necromancer. Necromancer's back of Lord's room. Necromancer's back of Lord's room. Focus the necromancer right here, guys.
How do you change your password for Guild Wars 2?
Log on to your account, your actual account at Guild Wars.
Back of Lord's room. Back of Lord's room. Stay in, stay in back. Get this guy right here. Get this guy right here. Get this necromancer right on me. I got him mobilized. Got him mobilized. Kill this necromancer. Stay in Lords. Stay in Lords. Don't go the whole way out. Stay in Lords. Stay in Lords. Stay in Lords. Stay in Lords.
The Lord is still up. Jesus. One tough Lord. This must be tier 3.
Lloyd went down.
Alright, let's kill these. Just stay down, guys. To the right. Wait for it, wait. They're trying to bait us down.
Oh, they're
What?
going. They're dropping all the way down. They're leaving.
Wow.
Left portal.
No. It's invis.
Yeah, they invis. I didn't think they'd jump off there.
Oh, some took off and then some didn't.
Finish the downs.
Yeah, he's on me.
Trying to do it.
God, I can't move. Get this necro here. That necro's low. Oh god. Push right, push right, push right, me, push right, push right. Mobilize. Shit. We need AoEs, they got lows, guys. Contest, we got it down. Spam them. Kill the downs, kill the downs, kill the downs, kill the downs.
The little trick didn't work.
It almost did.
It almost did.
Almost did. Wait for it. Okay, stealth now, stealth now. Active him now, guys. We're pushing 3, 2, 1, we're going. Who's this guy right here? Curve. Go to the back, go to the back, go to the back, go to the back, go to the back. Oh. Push through, push through. Mobilize, get my target. This guy, get this young guy right here, this young guy right here. Focus downs, focus downs, focus downs, immobilize. You gotta get these downs, get these downs, get these downs.
Shit.
Was that all Leon? I don't think that was all Leon. Alright.
Come.
It's down. Here they come. Alright, I'm going to throw stab down as soon as they come up here. Remember, hear you off of here. You can glide. Okay, I'm off that.
Let them come to us, let them come to us. Stay back, stay back, stay back. Always on me, always on me, always on me, always on me. Push forward, push forward, push forward. You got downs. You got downs, push forward.
Lots of Rangers. The Rangers are wrecking themselves.
Backwards, 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 backwards. Dodge forward, dodge forward. Back it up, back it up, back it up.
Get these downs. Want bags?
We got downs. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Oh god, I got knocked off. Oh Jesus. Keep fighting, guys. Oh shit. Oh. Haha. Okay. Keep going, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Get your RV up, back it up. Come behind the back, guys. I'm coming behind the back. Just keep your health. Watch your health. Watch your health. Keep backing up. They start pushing. I'm coming, guys. Don't you worry. I'm coming to the back line. Just keep it on. Keep it on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming to the back line. Okay.
Come up here, guys. I'm wanting
Get,
you off
get up,
there.
let him get up on the bridge.
Yep.
Let's retreat a little bit.
Yeah, back it up, guys. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit.
Up a little.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, watch your health. Watch your health. Watch your health. Watch your health. Wait for him. Wait for him to come. Wait for him to come.
Push in.
Okay, dodge row forward. Dodge row forward. Dodge row twice. Dodge row twice. It was on me. It was on me. It was on me. It was right here on me, guys. It was right here on me.
Your siege cannot hit that spot. You're overextended.
Yep.
Oh, we're getting kills though. We're getting bags.
Oh, dodge roll backwards a little bit. Dodge roll backwards a little bit. We got low. Okay. Let's keep pulling them in. Let's keep baiting them in. Yeah, lows behind them. Lows
Yeah,
behind
they
them.
don't want no. They don't want any part
Push
of
forward.
this.
Push forward now. They push.
We just finished the break.
Right,
Yeah.
guys, let's push forward now. Push forward now. Push forward now. Push forward now. They got lows. They got lows. They got
Killed.
lows right here. AoEs,
Killed
AoEs.
enough
Everybody
of them
off siege. Just come kill them. Come kill. Come kill. We got lows. We got lows. Let's finish them off. Finish them
Your
off,
bags.
guys. Finish them off.
Yes, we'll bring their Zerg.
Hey, don't
Zerg
forget
saying-
about that guy.
Their commander. We told you we should take kills before we leave. Oh yeah, that's a bloodbath. Look at all these glorious bags.
Maybe outside.